I make $25,000 a month from this faceless YouTube channel, but this channel makes $57,000 a month, and they started 1 month ago. Their first upload was 30 days ago. So I'm gonna try using this new AI platform to copy their channel with AI. Now first, let's look into what kind of content they're posting. So it's called Science Sun, and their first video has 8.9 million views. And they're making these AI history videos. So they're using AI to tell history stories and then show some visuals also made with AI. It's really cool. So I built this free Notion template with all of the prompts that we can just copy and paste. I'm gonna link them inside of my free community. Just go to AI Systems in the Classroom. It's completely free. And then just look for Science Sun right over here and click Access the System. That's gonna open up this template. Step number one, we're gonna head over to Claude.ai, and then we will just find that channel or any other competitor channel that we're trying to recreate, and we will take a screenshot of their videos. The more of these videos that we catch, the better, as it's gonna have more reference, but I'll just paste it in here, and then I'm gonna paste this prompt. So we copy that, go in, and now we're gonna model their titles, but we're gonna create something new and unique. Step number two, now we're gonna pick one of those ideas, and we will copy this prompt into Claude. We'll just paste it here, and then choose one of these titles that it recommends. I'm gonna go with 7 forbidden discoveries that were covered up and never explained. I think that's a really good title. And with this prompt, we're asking it to find lesser known facts and obscure details about this subject. So we're not going to be sharing generic info that everyone already knows. We want to create something that is obscure. At step number 3, we're going to generate a script, but we're going to do it in a unique way with this all-in-one AI operating system, Solo.ai. When you go here, you're going to go to the content on the left side, and then you're going to select the YouTube script writer, which is the most insane tool, because you can just describe what you want to make a video about, which in my case, the video is going to be about 7 forbidden discoveries. I'm just going to paste it here, or describe it in your own words, which is even better if you want it to be even more human. Then paste in the title, just Claude title like this, and then in the details box, you can add YouTube videos that cover this subject, PDF files that you find online, or text notes. And in this case, I'm going to grab these things that Claude is writing for me, I'll paste them in a text note, I'll add this, and now I'll continue with the style. So now I can model the style of writing of any successful channel. Now I can model their style of writing, or I can go a step further and model the style of writing of a channel that I really like and I know performs very well with this sort of content. I can just click share, copy the link, and then go back to Solo, paste it here, and it's going to learn how they speak and it will model that style. And then for the monetization goal, I'm going to select I want to maximize my watch time and my ad revenue, and I will bump up the length of this video to be 12 minutes, and I'll just generate the script. Now once the script gets generated, I'm then gonna turn it into a voiceover, because I need someone to narrate this script, someone to read it, and instead of going out there and spending hundreds of dollars on real voiceover artists that I also have to wait for, and just instantly generate human-like voiceovers inside of Solo. I can just go to the voice sector on the left side, I will select voiceover feature here, and then I can choose the voiceover on the right side. There is a library of 9,500 voices. I can filter by genders, ages, and languages, of course. Choose the one that I like and grab my script from here once it's done and paste it in this box and generate. Next up, we're gonna need prompts for those visuals that we make with AI. So we're gonna copy, first of all, this prompt, and then we're gonna go back to Claude and we'll paste in the prompt, and then we'll just grab the title that we chose earlier. So in my case, that's gonna be 7 forbidden discoveries. But then we also need to paste our script at the end. This is the most important part, because then it's gonna generate prompts based on the script that we got. And I got the script directly from Solo AI, and the script is insane. I love this tool. I love this tool. 2,500 words. Man, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. I'll go back to Claude and I'll paste in the script. Once I do that, it's gonna generate these prompts for me. Now, a really cool thing is that Solo has some of the best video models. When you go to Video Creator right over here, they have their own models which combine some of the best models out there. So for example, Solo LX High-End is a premium model. It is also the most expensive one in terms of credits, but it's gonna give you insane results. When you select this, you can just go to the bottom, you select aspect ratio, in this case to be 16:9 or landscape, which is what we need for video. If you want less credits to be spent, then just simply turn this off. Each clip for me is gonna be 5 seconds, and then I'll enter a prompt from Claude once it starts generating them. So this is gonna be the first one. Now again, this is the most expensive model, so if you want to save, then select budget models like VX. That's a good one. We can submit it here, or Solo AX. That's a pro one and it's high quality. It is a little bit more expensive, but like for example, this one is the cheapest and I can just use it to generate the clip. Just press one button. When I have the clip, I can just download it to my device and do the same thing with all of these prompts. Just copy and paste. Now I'm just gonna put it all together in CapCut. I will just drag and drop these clips and then I'll add a voiceover. Now you see the quality is not the best because we use the budget model, but Solo also has video enhancer. So when you go back to video sector on the left side, you'll be able to enhance the video quality and image quality. So you go to enhancer right over here and then you just upload it, drop the video here, and it's going to enhance it for you. It's going to upscale it. Next up, we can also create thumbnails inside of Solo. There are new models being added, but the best one so far is Solo AX 3.1. You can just go here, you can describe the thumbnail you want. So for example, what I've done is I asked Solo AI Assistant to give me the JSON prompt of the thumbnail that performed well for them, and then I just pasted a JSON prompt, click generate, and then I got this result that I can use for my thumbnail. And if we go back to this YouTube channel, you can see this one got them 9 million views essentially in 1 month. You also have plenty of other features on the left hand side to run an entire Solo AI business, one-person business with this one operating system. But there is also a partner program where you can earn passive income by talking about this tool, whether it's on YouTube, on Instagram, writing blog posts, whatever you want. You can just copy your link. You get tier 1 commission, 10% every single month, and then 5% on everything that the person that you referred makes. So you also make money from whoever they refer, which is pretty cool because there's a massive compounding effect. And that's how I was able to get 7K in affiliate commissions so fast. And I will keep on earning recurring commissions every single month as people that sign up to it remain signed up for a very long time, as it's so useful and it can be used in many different subjects, not just for cloning YouTube channels and running faceless YouTube channels, but for pretty much everything else you may need as a one-person business. So I'm going to link it in the description below, but if you also want to see the best use case for this AI tool, then make sure to watch this video next as I break down how to actually build a one-person business with it, and I will see you there.